Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. So I wasn't going to record these nails. As you can see, I already started off doing the one nail, and then I thought, do you know what, oh why the hell not, I'm going to go ahead and record. My beautiful client Andrea come in and she was running a little bit late, so I said, right, we're gonna have to do something like not really extravagant because, you know, you're 20 minutes late. So she was fine with that. We love what we did. So I've already done all my prep work on the nails. You've seen how I did that in yesterday's video. If you haven't watched that video, then go and do that right now. Well, I say yesterday's because I might actually upload this video today, so it might be tomorrow, but the last video I showed my prep work in. So I've done all that on her nails and applied my forms, dehydrated, all that jazz. And now I'm literally just going in on all of the nails and sculpting a nail with birthday suit because we're just going to gel polish over them. So I've left this video in a real-time speed. I haven't sped it up at all. This is just the speed that I work at. Yeah, so I just thought you might want to watch it. You might not want to watch it, but you might want to watch it. So I'm going to let you just continue to watch. I'm just adding another bead there just because I wasn't quite happy with where the apex was. I wanted to just make it a little bit higher just so we had that little bit more strength, especially when the nails grow out, so that we're not going to end up with really severely imbalanced nails. So I'll just push that apex a little bit further back into that back third. Again, going in with my dehydrator as I go because I'm using the one monomer, which doesn't require a primer. Picking up a large bead of birthday suit and draining it on the back of my tissue, placing it right at the cuticle, using the tip of my brush to really tease and pat that into the cuticle to get it nice and flush, but also using the tip of my brush to protect it away from the skin. And then I kind of try and pat around the apex so I don't pull all that product down, so I'm leaving my apex in there. I think I still need to go in and add a couple more beads just because I didn't obviously pick up a big enough bead to fill the whole nail in one bead as well as get a nice apex. And I'd rather have too much than not enough. So I'll let you watch rather than a rabbit on, but you can continue watching and I'll come back when I need to. I'm coming in with this absolute beautiful colour, and it is called Rosie-G from CjelP. It is so stunning, and it just needs one coat. You don't have to keep going over it. You don't need to double coat it. Just one coat of absolute gorgeous glitter. I absolutely loved it, and my client absolutely loved it. She was so chuffed. And I actually have on my nails another one from the new CjelP collection, and it is called Rose Blush. No, Golden Blush. And I have that on my nails and absolutely love it. I think I'm just going to infill my nails and do the exact same colour. But absolutely stunning. But yeah, it goes on so well. It is a little bit more thicker to work with just because it is full of glitter. But I just find by rolling it around in your hands, as you should be doing with your gels anyway, to get it all like, you know, in mixed up nicely and easier to use. So if you just give the gel a roll around in your hands, it makes it a bit more thinner and easier to apply. But as you can see, I'm just applying one coat, super quick. Yeah, this set was so funny because she rocked up 20 minutes late, and I was like, right, I'll still do them for you, but we're gonna have to do something quite simple because I've got a client coming straight after you, and I book out like an hour and a half for my clients. So I did these in 40 minutes. Like, I shocked myself. I had time to spare. So, yeah, I was well chuffed with that. Yeah, so painting these on all the nails, curing the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm literally going to use the CJP Tack Free Top Gloss over these, and just top coat all the nails, cure again for 60 seconds, go in with some cuticle oil, and that is all there is to this set. Really simple, but I just thought I'd record it and let you watch anyway. I love you all so much. Thank you to everybody who does watch. Thank you to everybody who likes my videos. Thank you to everybody who comments on my videos. I genuinely do read them all. Sometimes I don't comment or reply or even like, but know that I see them all, and I love, and I take in everything you say to me, and I try to answer what I can, and anything I've always used, it's 9 times out of 10 in the description box, unless I've been really lazy and I forgot to put it in. But yeah, if you want to know what I've used, just always check in there first. If not, just shout at me. It's okay. I can take it. So again, thank you everyone. Please like, please comment. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye bye.